everybody, it's Erin Reed, and today we are in Copic, and we are going to be learning some fun tips to deal with their Copic from Mickey. I mean, her stuff is totally amazing. So we're going to get some tips and tricks from Mickey. She is over from Japan, coming here. We are in San Antonio, and without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so Mickey, what are we going to be doing today?
I'll draw the character skin and hair.
Fantastic. So you drew this, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. And just to kind of show them some of the other ones that you've done, let me just take a look at that. So you drew that and colored that. Wow. But not just people, you're also...
Scenery.
Wow. It's beautiful. Oh, and look at it. It's a car. Okay, so what tips and tricks do you have?
For human skin, we use the color of R or E is measure for the skin. I use often the E00.
Okay.
But for a girl, also the skin's pink.
Pink.
So
Okay.
more cute.
Okay.
So I'll use the R.
Cute's good.
Yes, R000. And for the shadow, E93.
Okay. So you definitely think that the E's and the R's are better for the skin tones.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, just recapping.
For blend with the white area, we use the 0,
Okay.
non-color. Okay.
Right, yeah, so blending using the no color.
Yes.
Got it.
Put the color and blend with 0.
So you're blending before you add another color
Yes.
into it. Okay.
Make a gradation.
Gradation, got it.
This is same.
Okay.
Okay. And light come from this side.
Okay. Okay.
So here is highlight, and this is shadow of nose.
Okay.
Okay.
This is like magic to me, where she can just figure out how to put all these little colors. She's like, okay, here's the shadow, here's this, and she like hits all these little corners. I'm like, that's just, wow.
Then use the
E93. Yeah. So this is more of a pinky tone.
Yes. This is RV10.
Yeah.
And pink color for the cheek. Light area, I often use the
Soft color. Got it.
and blend with 0.
So using the blending with the yellow to create a soft look.
Where the shadow comes, use purple.
Oh, you're using purple.
Yes, this is BV0000.
Okay.
Why we use the purple? Because it is opposite color of the skin.
Oh, okay. You're using the purple in the hair?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Sometimes used for skin shadow.
Okay.
We use purple. E31. I use this color for the base color of hair.
Okay.
Use base color and blend. Left the light ring here.
Right. So you're creating that kind of like on these girls right here.
Yes.
This
yes.
like right here.
Yes.
Right?
If it is difficult to blend the color with only one color, you can use the different color more near to the base color.
Okay.
Yes. So you can make the more natural gradation.
So what I'm noticing is at the top of the hair here, you're going in a circular fashion. But as you come down here, you're doing more lines.
Because those circle more ink, so more easier to blend with a circle stroke.
And to get the look of the, looks like layers of hair coming down, you're using long strokes.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, makes sense. And you're not staying with one color very long. You're flipping between your pens quite frequently. That's kind of cool. So you're not just doing all of one color and then moving on. You're hitting little sections at a time, switching around. Very cool. It's like magic in front of you when you see it. So cool.
And left of the white area at the
the edge of the hair?
hair, yes,
Yeah.
is the hair. It looks like more airy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can see that here too.
Yes.
It's white all along the edge there.
Mascara is finished. Just the shadow with E33.
Yeah, E33, and then you're using, what's the other one?
The mascara is a
E31.
31.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you're just going to switch between the two. Oh, and you're layering on top now. Ah.
Put the color and blend with the mascara. Then best dark area, dark shadow.
Okay, yeah.
Is D7.
Now you're using,
White.
okay, white.
Yes. Just as it is, okay, but if you like more highlight or use white.
Okay. Very cool.
Yes.
Awesome. That is just so totally amazing. So the number of colors that you used total, you used face and hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the blending tool for both of them. And then a little bit of white on the hair as well. So very, very cool. So thank you so much for stopping by and checking out how to coloration of the hair and all the different layers and the great way of using the Copic markers to color things. And she did an amazing job, and it's absolutely amazing. I don't think I can do that. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button for the notifications, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.